Hello everyone, hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Today I wanted to make this quick video regarding one of the second account that I started using this exact same system. So if you're someone who is a complete beginner and is looking into making money online, hopefully this training can help you out a lot, because this actual business model doesn't require you to have much funds to get started, and very quickly you can start generating income from the comfort of your home, right? So just also a quick disclaimer, this is my results, and most of the time when people start any online business, they actually don't have any skill set, right? So I cannot guarantee that you're going to get this amount of results, but whatever I'm sharing with you in this video, hopefully it can help you out, so you can get started with this amazing system, right? So and this is not a get rich quick scheme. It requires you to put in a lot of hard work, effort, but whatever effort you put in, it's all you're gonna get out of it, right? So this account I've created, if I can go over, this account I created not so long ago, and very quickly the traction that I started getting was like really awesome. And I believe anyone, no matter what your background, we do have step-by-step training so you can do exactly the same, right? So you can see here the results, and it fluctuates, but the good thing about this is you start to get like ongoing recurring commission, right, month after month. So highest day is $820, I believe, and then continuously it's just coming up in the bank account, right? $200, $280, $100, $20, and then today was the highest day, $520, right? So you can see traction wise, you don't need much investment to get started with this. You can get started for very little, which I'll be sharing with you. So you might be asking, what is this exact system that I use to be able to generate revenue from this online business, right? So this is a recurring income affiliate marketing business, right? So which you can pretty much start for very little, as there's different affiliate marketing programs out there. They are like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank, right? So there's different affiliate marketing program, and I was also into different programs. Like for example, I used to promote high ticket affiliate marketing through a company called, I want to actually mention the name, but you can go in my channel. There's a lot of bad review about that company out there, right? So there was a high ticket affiliate marketing, but the issue I was having with that was I wasn't getting any support, right? So if you're a complete beginner, I wouldn't recommend you to do high ticket affiliate marketing, because the issue with that is you're gonna get sale today. What happens, you don't get sale in maybe next week, like your income won't be sustainable, your income won't be like a long term. So you want to build something that can give you recurring income like month after month after month, right? So that's what all the successful people actually talk about, that a business that you can put effort into it, and if for example something happens, that business should be running for you 24 hours in the background, right? So this is the exact system that I found, which can be able to provide all the needs for that, right? So if you also need to my channel, subscribe, as on this channel I share valuable content in terms of making money online, right? So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And so you must be asking, like, how will I get access to this exact system, right? So what you need to do is go beneath this video. So if you're watching this video, I'll put the first link beneath this video. All you have to do is just click the link, and that will take you to this page. And then what you do after that is just enter your email address very quickly, right? So you can see exactly what the system is. So once you put in your email address, just click confirm, and then it will take you to this page, right? So this is the exact system that I'm using to be able to generate like recurring commission, like month after month, year after year, right? So what this actual system is, it's like a website building tool, right? A funnel building tool. Most of the people, they're actually looking for someone to build their website, build their funnel, right? So and this tool will have all the training and support in terms of how you can actually build up a funnel, and also how you can get traffic inside your funnel, right? So if you just build up a funnel and if you don't know how to drive the traffic into your funnel, like you won't even have a business, right? So that's what I actually do, is I followed this exact training which allowed me to do that. And so you can just go beneath this video and then you're going to scroll down. So the good thing about this is the company has paid over $3.7 million in commission to the affiliate partners, right? So, and with this is just one sale per week can turn into $74,000, 800 per year, right? Which is awesome, right? And then 2 sales per week can turn into $149,000, and 3 sales per week can turn into $224,000 in recurring commission, right? So imagine if you just have 3 sales for the whole year, right? You'll be able to earn that much money. So the potential is limitless. There's no limit to how much income you can be earning from this system, right? So go over and find, read about it, right? There's a lot of information out here. And then what you're gonna do is you're going to go down all the way, and then you're gonna click on yes, I want access, right? So once you click on that, it will take you to this page. Enter all your details in here, and then what you're going to do after that, go down, enter all your card detail. Make sure it's your correct email address, because all the password and everything will go to your email address, so that way you can log into the system in the back end, right? So enter your card details, and then what you're gonna do is see the company also give you, remember what I told you about the traffic? So the company also give you free bonus for the traffic for 2 weeks, right? So you get to test drive the system, see how it is, how it's everything, right? A 7-figure earners might this exact system, right? So they're giving you the exact strategy, right? So what you're gonna do is click on this box, so you get a test drive for 2 weeks. I highly recommend you to get it, and then complete the order, right? So once you complete the order, it will you will get all the emails, and after you have completed the order, I'll also put a link in the description. You can click that and reach out to me on Facebook, and I'll be adding you to my team group chat. So any questions you have, you can just reach out to me there, and I'll be glad to help you, support you every single step of the way, right? This is a recurring income online business, and you don't need to put much hours into it. You can only put as much as you want or as little as you want, right? So if you have a full-time job, you can definitely do this and earn extra income from this actual system that I'm utilizing. Like I said, this is a small account that I built. I'm focusing more onto my bigger account, right? But all this thing that I'm doing, all this system is just complete automation, right? Which is awesome. This day and age, everyone needs to be jumping online, because remember what happened in the COVID time? A lot of people, like, they actually lost their job, right? So, and then after COVID, more and more people are starting to jump online. So this is the best opportunity for you to start your online business. So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and I will see you in the next video. My God bless you, and bye for now.